Hey, in this video, you learn how to search Facebook Messenger conversations. It's actually a very simple tutorial, and I think you'll enjoy it because there's two ways or two things you can do. You can basically search for text messages or words throughout the whole messenger database that you have. If you set the word, for example, dog, it will search for a dog in every conversation you have, or you can search within a conversation with a given person. Here's how we do it. But before we start, make sure you give this video a like, because each like helps me out a lot. The first way to do it is just swipe up on your messenger and type in a word. For example, I'll type in curry, and it will show up situations or text with different people where I mentioned this word. It's really nice if you gave someone a password or something, you can search for the login, then you can find the password if you're working with multiple people or have some group chats. So this is the way to search throughout all the conversations you have. Second way is to actually go on a specific conversation and click on the person's name and then click search in conversation. When you do that, you search for conversations within the chat you had with this person. These are the two ways to do it. If this video helped you out, give it a like. See you in the next video. Bye.